Hello friends, welcome to eFarm. Many gardeners would have installed drip irrigation system for watering their plants. So in addition to watering the plants, we can also supply liquid nutrition to plants via drip irrigation system using a Venturi installation. Few might have already connected the drip system to motor pump, and many would have used their overhead tank to connect to their drip system. For proper working of drip system, we need some minimal amount of water pressure. Suppose if you have connected your drip system to motor pump, then this won't be an issue. So only the issue comes when people connected their drip system to overhead tank. Many times the problem connecting to overhead tank is the low water pressure. It may be just fine for watering the plants, but may not be suitable for installing the Venturi system, because the Venturi system needs some amount of water pressure to suck the nutrition from the bucket or from the drum and then mix it to the water line and to supply to the plants. In this video, I will be explaining about a simple low-cost solution for those could not install Venturi system due to low water pressure. I am using overhead tank to connect to the drip system. The overhead tank is of height 10 to 12 feet. So in this system, I have installed the screen flow filter and flow meter in line to the watering line. And the size of watering line I am showing here is 1 inch. The straight pipeline is for regular watering. The one I have branched out is where I have connected the Venturi, which is of size 3 by 4 inch, that is 20 mm. Also, you might be seeing some black electrical valves in this video. I will explain about the purpose of it in my next video, but you can use a ball valve in place of the electrical valve. To tackle the low water pressure for Venturi, I have bought a 12 volt DC double booster pump, which is about 1000 rupees. I have connected the inlet of the pump to the Venturi output using a quick connector, that is the orange color you would be seeing in the video, and the outlet of the pump is connected to the other end of the water line, that is through the green color tap valve that you are seeing here. The Venturi has a small nipple which is of 3 by 8 inch size, through which the nutrition will be sucked from the bucket and mixed in the water. We can supply any form of liquid fertilizers or biofertilizers like Azospirillum, Phascobacteria, WDC, etc. to plants via this Venturi system. So the general mix ratio is 1:10, but the suction rate can be adjusted using the ball valve, the orange color knob fitted before the Venturi system. I have put a mark in the bucket to show the uptake of fertilizers by the Venturi system once I power on the 12 volt pump. This is part of my garden where I have installed drip system. I have got more than 100 plants in my garden. I am using Venturi system once in a week to supply liquid biofertilizers to all my plants. Now I have switched the pump on. You could see a gradual decrease of the liquid level in the bucket. Now you see the water is emitting from the emitters. I have put the second and third mark in the bucket to show how the level has gradually decreased from the initial mark. Now with this solution, you can set up a drip and venturi system for your garden and overcome the low water pressure issue. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to eFarm for more updates. Thank you for watching.